In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a horizontal clip vertical in CapCut. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in CapCut, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my media from my import file down and I'm going to pop it into my timeline here. So if we give that a play, you can see that that is in a horizontal format. So in order to change this, what we want to do is we want to come up to the button here that says ratio. And as you can see, original is what it goes to. Original format is how it starts with, and then you've got all these different options here. So 16:9 is good, obviously, for like a YouTube thumbnail or YouTube, and then if you want to do 9:16, then this is going to work more for YouTube shorts or for like your TikToks. So if you click that, and then as you can see that has now changed the format here in our player window. So what you want to do is you just want to grab your video and drag it so that it now fills that format. And then if we go back to the beginning and hit play, you can now see that it is in that 9:16 format. And that is it. Super quick one for you today, guys, on how to change your horizontal video to a vertical format. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.